Draw learning. Today we are going to draw a fox while we learn Spanish. Now we draw the ear. Ear in Spanish is oreja. We draw a nice bow. We draw its legs, that in Spanish is said, patas. Very good! We draw its famous tail. Tail in Spanish is cola. We draw his smiling mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said, BOCA. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say bow in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use pink, which in Spanish is ROSA. We use dark brown, that in Spanish is said MARRON OSCURO. We use light brown, that in Spanish is said MARRON CLARO. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Let's see if you know the answer. Bow in Spanish is LAZO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.